My wife left a comment on our survey about our last order, and they sent us a $25 gift card for our burnt pizza. This one looks good.
Yeah, this is how it's supposed to look.
This is how it's supposed to look.
It tastes good to me.
She did a survey, and then I called her back. They look like little mini chicken tenders. So, one, you could go back to the store and voice your concern, or my wife did it through the survey on the receipt. Was it your receipt?
Yes.
Oh no, the pizza's kind of burnt.
Really?
It's okay. Can't complain. And it's just, it's just slightly toasted. She actually did it through the app, through her email.